Hello and welcome back. My name is Jennifer and I'm so excited today to share an unboxing with you. As you can see from the title, I'm going to be unboxing the new plush from Laika Studios. I got a notification saying that Laika's store is open and I saw some items that were on there and I got really excited for one in particular, and that's the one I have here today. I have the box here and there are a few quotes from the cat. He actually doesn't have an official name in the movie, at least. He's been called a wuss-puss before. The quotes on here, I'm just gonna do them real quick. We cats have far superior senses than humans. It's probably true, probably true. And then, okay, this one I'm gonna try to do in the cat's voice. You probably think this world is a dream come true, but you're wrong. So this is the box. I just wanted to give its some proper appreciation for the box here. I'm gonna unbox this now. But here is inside the box. We have some buttons. How cute! And I can feel our friend under here right now. Okay, I see him. Oh my goodness. He's got some tape to keep his whiskers in shape. His whisker tape is off and here he is. I'm gonna do some close-ups. Also, for a better idea with sizing, this is a 14.5-inch plush. And it does have bendable, posable tail, arms, and head. I've also noticed when I try to adjust the ears around, they too have also been staying where I have them. So I'm beyond happy. I've always loved this character in Coraline. You know, other than Coraline, I think he was probably one of my favorite characters in this movie. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. I also wanted to note that this whole time I've been saying Laika, it's actually Laika, and I looked this up before I even made the video just to make sure, and I still said it wrong. But anyways, for now, did you end up seeing anything in the shop that you liked? Did you see the opening? And if you did, let me know in the comments down below. And did you also get the cat? Because I noticed that the cat clock was really popular. I was just curious and I just wanted to share this real quick. And thank you so much for watching.